In case you are wondering where I am and the background behind me, I'm in the port. Ghana Port and Harbour Authority. That's where I find myself to be right now. And I'm trying to share this video with you. Like in your Ghana Ports and Harbour Authority. One photographer Jimmy. I'm a photographer, I'm a videographer, filmmaker, content creator. That is often can shake me because maybe new water or I'm a new Gan Ojogba, so I have to mix with English so that in Keblofo Bafutu, I'm a noni in Washi, Mokoke, ni okay Gan channel, Shimonda no Blofo. Want I watch me or you more? A Wakamo no, our language in the moon. Keke, oh, ye. Like I view more because then they keep on learning. Thank you so much for understanding. Okay, so guys, I'm back again with another video on learning Ga with Nii Ayi. Good. Be abladiabi me penye kembaleke klamane no migbeji Nii Ayi aka Ganyobi. Aha. Ni yaklamane no ne ichonga if your video ga je ake mintao me akase ganywemo koni wo ganywemo e mashi eko. So I'll be speaking both in English and also in Ga so that people watching can understand what I want to teach. So today we are going to learn about greetings, how to greet in the Ga language. If you really follow this channel, previously I did a short skit on greetings where two beautiful ladies were greeting in Ga and how to respond when you are being greeted in Ga.
Your thing.
You know, drum on your jogbani bone.
Oh, me your jogba.
Ah, one day you machine. Eh, no way, che.
Yeah, ni mo je.
Ah, in Jana no ko je, ni npa so mo yan choje nsin bi ana yin egbe mi an, se na way che. Ke chumo yo.
Kono fiana ye fan.
Eh, ke fe try me fi o.
Oh, ma travel.
Ke fe bi mo shi. Yo ma bi o shi ba. Ke fe ma na bu.
So I'm doing this short video. At the end of the day, I'll put the link there so that you can also watch. I'm doing this video for people to learn how to speak Ga and also people in the diaspora, born in the diaspora, who are eager to learn the Ga language. So let's start the video. So how do you greet in the morning? And from my previous video, I taught you that morning in Ga is lebi. Morning in Ga is lebi. So how do you greet in the morning? In the morning, we greet as Ojeko. Ojeko. And how do you respond good morning in Ga, which is Ojeko? We say Ojemra. That's the response. Ojemra. Ojemra. Yes, repeat after me. Ojemra. Good. So how then do you greet in the afternoon? In afternoon, we've learned that it is called Shane. We've learned that afternoon in Ga is called Shane. Good. So how do you greet in the afternoon? So afternoon we say Mina Woko. Mina Woko. That is Mina Bo Eko. Literally it's trying to say I have seen you again. So let's say I saw you in the morning, I've seen you in the afternoon. That is I have seen you again. Mina Bo Eko, Mina Woko. And then the response for afternoon, evening is called Mina Wojo. Mina Wojo. Yes. Mina Wojo. I hope you get it, okay? And then in evening, we've learned that evening is called Beke in Ga. we've learned that Beke is evening in English. So how do you then greet in the evening? We say Oshwe. Oshwe. So just as simple as that. And you respond Oshwe mran. Oshwe mran. Oshwe mran. Good. I hope you can remember all that I have just said. So in the morning, which is good morning, we say Ojeko, and we respond Ojemra, that is Laby greetings. Afternoon, which is Shane, is called afternoon, which is Shane, is Mina Woko. Mina Woko, and the response is Mina Wojo. Mina Wojo. And then in the evening, which is Beke, we say Oshwe. Oshwe. And you respond Oshwe mra. Oshwe mra. Thank you so much, guys. And you can refer to the previous video where I taught the periods of the day, and then add this one to it. Gradually we'll be learning more and what to say in Ghana, just to project the Gadangme language and also teach people who are willing to learn my beautiful language, and also people living in the diaspora who are born in the diaspora who want to learn Ghana are all invited to subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe, share it with someone, and tell someone about this Ghana channel. I hope you have a good day and enjoy yourself and you've learned something new. If you have anything to say, let me know in the comment section below, and you can also suggest things you want to learn in Ghana. You can follow me on my Instagram and feel free to DM me if you want us to chat. Until then, I see you on my next episode. My name is Nii Ayi, aka Ganyobi. Hola, bawo. Peace out.
Hello. Hello. Now, Kali. Oshwe. Oshwe, mama. Toyote. Jeno koshi kani nkwaka wa bagma.
Aheju ni bane enochi.
Oh, okay. Mena jechi ni jijune ona.
Enochi no.
Yo. Meno no one travel jeno kocho. Bako ke mora don.
Yo no ene lesson waka se ni wa ye.
Wo be ya tan wo jian
yo no be ke fe.
Yo bonka se money. Ora don.